In this video, we want to estimate the mean number of cars sold by each salesperson given the grouped frequency table. And then we want to round the final answer to one decimal place. So when we have this grouped frequency table, that means we have these intervals. And when we have an interval, we want to start by really identifying what is the mean of this interval. So for example, from 0 to 3, what is the middle value? So remember, to find the mean of any two numbers, you're going to take their sum and divide by 2 because we have two numbers. So we're going to say that our first value is really going to be 1.5 because that's what the values are on average. We can do this again with our next interval from 4 to 7. So 4 plus 7 divided by 2 is 5.5. And if we repeat that process at 8 to 11, we're going to have 9.5, and 12 to 15, we'll have 13.5. So these are going to be our values, again, by finding the average of the interval, what's in the middle of them. So then we're going to go into our stat and edit, and we'll go into list 1, and we're going to type these values in. So 1.5 will be the first interval, then 5.5 after that, then 9.5, and 13.5. Then we'll put our frequencies into list 2. So that's 1, 5, 3, and 1. And once we have those listed out, we're going to be able to go into our stats menu. Stat, write 1 to get calculate, and choose the first option for one variable statistics. Because this is a frequency table, we put list 1 as our list of values, and list 2 is our frequency list. Once we've done that, we can calculate, and we see right here, our X bar is our mean. So X bar, in this case, is 7.1. Now, something that we can do here is we can say that it's approximately, and you can use even a squiggle equal sign, because this is an estimate of the number of cars sold by each salesperson, not necessarily the exact value, because we use those averages instead of using the intervals themselves. But there you go. That's how you estimate using a frequency table.